Unveiling the unhealthy nature of processed foods, a scientific examination in today's fast-paced world. Processed foods have become an integral part of our diets. Their convenience, affordability, and wide availability have made them a popular choice for busy individuals and families. However, beneath their alluring facade lies a hidden truth: processed foods pose a significant threat to our health. This article delves into the scientific evidence that exposes the unhealthy nature of processed foods, highlighting their detrimental effects on our bodies and overall well-being. Defining processed foods. Processed foods are foods that have undergone some form of alteration or transformation from their natural state. This can range from minimal processing, such as freezing or canning, to extensive processing, involving the addition of preservatives, artificial flavors, colors, and other synthetic ingredients. Common examples of processed foods include packaged snacks, frozen meals, canned goods, and sugary drinks. Nutritional deficiencies and imbalances. One of the primary concerns with processed foods is their nutritional inferiority compared to unprocessed whole foods. Processing often strips foods of their natural nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. To compensate for these losses, manufacturers frequently add synthetic vitamins and minerals, which are not as easily absorbed or utilized by the body as naturally occurring nutrients. Furthermore, processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars. These components contribute to an imbalanced diet that can lead to weight gain, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Added sugars, a major culprit. Added sugars are a significant culprit in the unhealthiness of processed foods. They provide empty calories and contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and inflammation. Excessive sugar consumption has also been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Unhealthy fats, trans fats and saturated fats. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats. Trans fats are created during the hydrogenation process, which converts liquid oils into more solid fats. They have been shown to increase LDL bad cholesterol and decrease HDL good cholesterol, raising the risk of heart disease. Saturated fats, while naturally occurring in some animal products, are also commonly found in processed foods and can contribute to elevated cholesterol levels when consumed in excess. Artificial ingredients, questionable safety. Many processed foods contain artificial ingredients, including preservatives, flavors, colors, and sweeteners. While these ingredients are often approved for use by regulatory agencies, their long-term safety has been questioned. Some artificial sweeteners, for instance, have been linked to weight gain, metabolic disorders, and even cancer. Negative impact on gut health. Processed foods are often low in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. Diets low in fiber can disrupt the gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Association with chronic diseases. Numerous studies have established a strong association between the consumption of processed foods and an increased risk of chronic diseases. A large-scale study published in the journal BMC Medicine found that individuals who consumed the most processed foods had a higher risk of all-cause mortality, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Another study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, linked the consumption of ultra-processed foods, the most heavily processed category of processed foods, to an increased risk of obesity, heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Conclusion: the scientific evidence overwhelmingly demonstrates the unhealthy nature of processed foods. Their low nutritional value, high content of unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients, and negative impact on gut health contribute to an increased risk of chronic diseases. While processed foods may offer convenience, they come at a significant cost to our health. By choosing unprocessed whole foods over processed foods, we can nourish our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally and reduce our risk of developing preventable chronic diseases. Embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is the key to long-term health and well-being.